Most homeowners don't think about zoning laws until they cost them tens of thousands of dollars. If you're buying, selling, or even thinking about renovating your home, there are a few zoning rules that can completely change your property's value. And most people miss them. So let's break down the zoning laws homeowners should actually care about. I'm Joe Luca, Realtor, and I help homeowners across Rhode Island and southern Massachusetts make smarter real estate decisions so they can protect and grow their equity. In this video, I'm actually going to walk you through the zoning rules that can impact your home's value, your ability to sell, and even what you're legally allowed to do with your property. Okay, the first and most important thing zoning controls is how your property can be used. For example, is your home strictly residential? Is it mixed use? Can you run a business out of it? Can it legally be converted into a multifamily? This matters because buyers are always looking for flexibility. If your zoning limits future use, it can reduce your prospective buyer pool and ultimately your sales price. Next, I want to talk about setbacks and lot requirements. Basically, how close structures can be to property lines. This becomes critical if you want to add an addition, add an accessory dwelling unit, build a garage, or even install a deck or a pool. I've seen homeowners spend lots of money on plans only to find out they can't build what they want. Next, non-conforming properties. Okay, here's one most people don't even know about. Non-conforming properties. This is when a home was built legally, but zoning laws subsequently changed. Sounds harmless, right? Well, it can create issues when you try to expand the home, rebuild after damage, or sell to a buyer who needs financing. Oh, and one other thing, if you ever wanted to try and chop off part of the land to make another buildable lot, you're probably not going to be able to do it. This is a big one that can delay or even kill a deal. Next, parking and access requirements. Zoning can also dictate parking requirements and access. For example, minimum number of parking spaces, driveway width, shared access rules. This matters more than ever with multi-generational living and rental potential, especially if you want to be able to have an accessory dwelling unit. That can be something that really could trip you up. Generally speaking, in more densely populated areas, this is more challenging. All right, and then the future development impact. Finally, zoning doesn't just cover your property, it affects what can be built around you. That vacant lot next door, zoning determines whether it becomes another single-family home, a multi-unit building, or even a commercial building. Understanding this can help you protect your property's long-term value. Or if you're aware of this and you don't want to have a commercial building built up next to you, sell your home before it becomes public knowledge. The bottom line is this: zoning laws aren't just technical rules. They directly impact your home's value, your options, and your risk. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, or making changes to your property, you need to understand how zoning affects you before you make a move. If you want help navigating this, I'm happy to guide you through it. I'm not an attorney, but I can certainly guide you to one in your area if necessary. Please make sure you just subscribe to get more videos like this video, and then I will be able to help you make smarter real estate decisions and protect your investment. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.